बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो पहली जॉब शेयर करूँगी उसकी लास्ट डेट है आज, यानी कि 12 फरवरी। अच्छा, इसमें मल्टीपल जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी। SIUT की है और वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट मल्टीपल पोजीशंस इन ब्लड डोनर मोबिलाइजेशन किसी की 15 फरवरी है और एक वाइस प्रिंसिपल की भी जॉब है। ठीक है। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी, नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेस्ड इन कराची इज लुकिंग फॉर अ मैनेजर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स। द ideal candidate must have 5 years of experience in the health development sector, specifically in conducting/managing clinical trials. The candidate should hold a master's degree in health sciences/life sciences/clinical research from a recognized institution. The individual should possess a strong knowledge of regulatory requirements and excellent communication and problem-solving skills. He/she should be able to work independently and as a team. The incumbent will be responsible for planning and monitoring clinical trials, developing and implementing operational strategies, providing direction/facilitation to the project team during the implementation, ensuring adherence to protocol standards and regulatory requirements, coordinating data management activities, analyzing and reporting the clinical trials progress. Interested candidates send their updated CVs to jobs@tbi.org.pk/before, बल्कि बिफोर है February 12, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. No TA/DA will be admissible for appearing in the interview. वाइस प्रिंसिपल की जॉब है अल मुर्तज़ा स्कूल नेटवर्क का लीडिंग ट्रस्ट ऑपरेटेड स्कूल ऑफ हाई रेप्यूट affiliated with AKUEB is looking for confident, energetic, highly motivated and career oriented female candidates for the post of vice principal based in Karachi. For the following sections: junior branch classes 1 to 5, senior girls branch senior classes 6 to 10. Degree holders preferably with other professional qualifications with at least 5 to 7 years of relevant experience in teaching may apply. The applicant should have the passion and drive to take responsibility and lead the group of committed teachers towards imparting quality education. Fluency in written and spoken English is essential. Attractive salary with provident fund, life insurance, health insurance for self and family, and other fringe benefits will be offered commensurate with experience and qualification, along with opportunities for further professional development. Please send your CV to the following email address: amsnetwork.hr@gmail.com, preferably by February 15, 2024. Confidentiality of applicants will be strictly observed. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है डॉन संडे की जॉब है। अच्छा, ये जो मैं आपको जॉब्स बता रही हूँ ये डॉन संडे February 4, 2024 की जॉब है। अच्छा जी, ये है वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट इंटस हॉस्पिटल ब्लड सेंटर कराची, AABB accredited, multiple positions in development of blood donor mobilization positions: executive, senior executive, assistant manager, deputy manager. Criteria: education बैचलर्स ब्रैकेट में लिखा है प्रेफरेबली मास्टर्स एक्सपीरियंस, फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ सेल्स मार्केटिंग बिटवीन 6 months to 7 years. The institute offers market competitive salary packages with comprehensive health coverage of self, spouse, children and parents. The positions are based in Karachi and Jamshoro. No TA/DA will be provided for appearing in test/interview. To apply, please email your CV at career@srbc@tis.org.pk. Please mention the position applied for in the subject line along with the location. Last date for submission of application 15 February 2024. और ये जो है मैनेजर डायरेक्टर/CEO एक्सचेंज कंपनी. Our client is a leading financial institution engaged in the business of foreign exchange with a network of over 20 branches in various business centers/cities across the country. They are looking for a dynamic and experienced professional for the position of managing director/CEO. to spearhead the company's operation and provide leadership to the team to meet its goals and objectives. The position reports to the board of directors and has overall responsibility to develop and implement short and long-term strategies in line with the vision and mission of the company, ensure financial viability, monitor competition and take measures to increase market share, ensure compliance to applicable laws and regulatory matters. The ideal candidate would have a minimum master's degree for HEC recognized institute/university or equivalent. He/she should be up to 57 years of age with a minimum years of relevant experience, out of which 3 years should be in the senior management position in currency exchange or related banking business. The selected candidate will be offered a 3-year contract renewable with market-based salary package commensurate with the experience and qualification. Interested candidates may visit our website www.siddharthhaider.com.pk/careers and apply online as per instructions not later than 18 February 2024. Director Human Resources Consulting, सिद्धार्थ हैदर मुर्शिद एसोसिएट्स ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है पीवीटी लिमिटेड, मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट्स, बेओमाउंट प्लाजा, बेओमाउंट रोड, कराची। ईमेल human.resource@siddharthhaider.com। अच्छा जी, ये वाले अच्छा आप SIUT की जॉब है। SIUT की जॉब बता देती हूँ। वी आर लुकिंग फॉर एनर्जेटिक एंड एंथुसियास्टिक प्रोफेशनल्स हु हैव पैशन एंड अ डिज़ायर टू मेक अ positive preference in patient care. Associate professor, assistant professor, senior lecturer in pediatric intensive care unit PICU and pediatric emergency department. Associate and assistant professor PICU FCPS pediatric FCPS pediatric intensive care ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है और equivalent degrees ब्रैकेट close along with 3 to 5 years experience in PICU is essential according to the PMDC requirement. Associate and assistant professor pediatric emergency FCPS pediatric and looking with 3 to 5 years experience in pediatric emergency according to the PMDC requirement. Any additional certification will be an added advantage. Senior lecturer PICU FCPS pediatric and completed training in pediatric intensive care. Assistant/associate professor in pediatric/ congenital cardiac surgery. MBBS/MD completion of training in pediatric/congenital cardiac surgery and must have FCPS/FRCS/diplomate American board in general/cardiac/pediatric or congenital cardiac surgery. Additional experience of at least 5 years as independent pediatric/congenital cardiac surgeon after last training/exit exam. Publications in reputable journals. Ability to work in multidisciplinary team is an added advantage. Lecturer/senior lecturer general pediatrics FCPS or equivalent in pediatrics. Experience in pediatric general/cardiac intensive care is preferable. Registrar pediatric cardiac intensive care. MBBS 1 year house job completed. FCPS 1 cleared and must have completed 4 years residency training in general pediatrics. Fresh FCPS 2 or equivalent in pediatrics is preferable. Additional experience in pediatric cardiology/pediatric intensive care is desirable. लेक्चरर ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश इन ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी. रेडियोलॉजिस्ट FCPS ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फ्रेश इन रेडियोलॉजी. इंटरेस्ट टू वर्क इन मॉलिक्यूलर इमेजिंग एंड PETCT ऑपरेटिंग रूम एंड एनेस्थीसिया टेक्नीशियन/टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट कार्डियक ऑपरेटिंग रूम्स. BSc/diploma in operating room sciences and anesthesia. Candidates having 1 to 2 years experience in cardiac related field are preferable. Technician/technologist/radiographers. Cardiac catheterization laboratory. BSc/diploma in cardiac catheterization laboratory sciences/operating room sciences and radiology. Candidates having 1 to 2 years experience in cardiac related field are preferable. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी टेक्नीशियन डिप्लोमा इन एसोसिएट इंजीनियरिंग ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, और डिप्लोमा इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 1 और 2 ईयर्स ब्रैकेट क्लोज. Preference will be given to candidates with a minimum of 2 years of relevant experience. Security guard की job है. The candidate should be from the armed forces. Maximum age limit is 48 years. MED, Cat A and physically fit. SIUT offers a market competitive salary. Perks and a growth oriented work environment. How to apply? Human Resource Department, in Institute of Urology and Transplantation, Civil Hospital, Karachi 74200, or email at hrd@siut.org, hrd.siut@gmail.com. Latest by February 14, 2024, only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, नेशनल ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्पैच कंपनी लिमिटेड की जॉब है. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. नेशनल ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्पैच कंपनी लिमिटेड is backing the economic growth of the country through its excellent transmission and dispatch network with optimum utilization of resources, and by providing a rewarding workplace for the employees. The company invites applications from energetic and experienced candidates for the position of deputy managing director bracket में assist development and management bracket close on contract basis detailed as under. deputy managing director ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है assist development and management. फंक्शंस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड स्किल्स. ये फंक्शंस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड स्किल्स का आप ले लीजिए जनाब स्क्रीनशॉट. ठीक है. अच्छा जी, क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस एंड एज. अ बैचलर्स डिग्री इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग वुड बी अ मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट. डिग्री इन बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉम HEC recognized/accredited university would be desirable, plus the candidate must possess overall professional experience of 20 years in corporate entities with at least 5 years working experience in the energy sector. For private sector candidates, overall experience of 20 years should include minimum 3 years in senior management position as department head/C-suite level. For public sector candidates, overall experience of 20 years should include minimum 3 years at grade 20 or above positions. The candidate should not be more than 62 years of age on the closing date of this environment. Should not be more than 62 years of age on the closing date of this advertisement. Remuneration and tenure market compatible package bracket negotiable as per qualification and experience bracket close shall be offered to the external selected candidate. In case of selection of an internal candidate, existing pay and allowances drawn along with a special allowance as per directions of the board of directors NTDC will be offered. The successful candidate will be offered 3 years contract extendable with manual consent. Instructions and general conditions. In the interested candidates are advised to apply online through the prescribed online application form available at NTDC website www.ntdc.com.pk/careers bracket close. Candidates who have already applied for the post against the advertisement published earlier on June 18, 2023 need not apply again, as they will be evaluated based on their previous application. Educational degree/certificates, experience certificate, CNIC, detailed CV and recent passport size photograph must be attached with the online application form. Accordingly, online applications will be accepted till 19 February 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for an interview. No TA/DA will be provided for the interview. The candidates appearing in the interview must bring their original credentials. CNIs, the educational degree/certificates duly verified by HEC and experience certificates, and departmental NOC in case the candidate is already working in government department/organization. Concealment of facts and misleading information will disqualify the candidate at any stage of the Recruitment and even after selection, NTDC is an equal opportunity employer. NTDC reserves all the rights to cancel or withhold this recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. General Manager HR NTDC, Hall number 8, second floor, Shaheen Complex, एगर्टन रोड, लाहौर। अच्छा जी, एक और ये है HRSI की जॉब है, ठीक है। कंपनी ओवरव्यू, आवर क्लाइंट, अ कराची बेस्ड कंपनी सीक्स टू अपॉइंट एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड सीजन्ड प्रोफेशनल फॉर द फॉलोइंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस्ड रोल फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 3 years, DGM विजिलेंस एंड सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज। इसका तो की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का जो जी आप लोग ले लीजिए स्क्रीनशॉट, ठीक है जी। आप इसका तो जनाब आप ये लोग ले लीजिए स्क्रीनशॉट। एजुकेशन मिनिमम 16 years ऑफ एजुकेशन फ्रॉम HEC रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। मिलिट्री स्टाफ कोर्स / इंटेलिजेंस स्टाफ कोर्स will be an added advantage. Experience must have a minimum of 20 years military service as commissioned officer with preferable experience of serving in an intelligence setup. Requirements: a retired officer of armed forces of Pakistan with the rank of colonel or equivalent. Strong organization, analytical and problem solving skills with willingness to travel. Age: the candidate should be preferably not more than 50 years of age as of the last date of submission of application. If you have the required experience and educational qualification to take up the challenging role, you are requested to apply by February 18, 2024 at http://jobs.hrs-int.com/ Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. www.hrs-int.com HRSI। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो जॉन संडे February 4, 2024 की, जिसमें सिक्योरिटी स्टाफ की भी जॉब्स हैं। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।